Good morning children. In the last lecture, we have learned about the dilution process. Now we are learning about, in the last class already we have just discussed a very small topic, that is pH scale, that we are going to learn about today. What is pH scale, children? So we are just going to learn about that scale in brief today. जैसे आप measuring for any kind of you have to, अगर मैडम बोलते हैं कि have to draw the line for 5 centimeters और 10 centimeters, we are using what we are using measuring scale. अगर रेडियस पूछा है कि have to draw the radius about 5 centimeters, so we are using rounder as well as scale, both the particular. In same manner, how much acids are strong? Those solutions है. In one of the beaker I am having lemon juice, and one of the beaker I am having HCl. So from both of these, which is more acidic? Among this, which one is more acidic, that we have to find. And how we are going to find? That both are acid that we have used either by litmus paper or any of the man-made indicator. Suppose we are using ethyl valent. So हमें पता चला कि yes, this solution which are provided in the beaker that are acids. But दोनों में से कौन सा acid more strong है? Which one is more acidic or which one is less acidic? That is going to be learned by pH scale. Now we have to learn about pH scale in brief. That what is pH scale? So P, that is mean in the German word potence, and in the English language it is mean by power. Now power of what? H stands for hydrogen. So power of hydrogen ion, you can say that. So what is the definition for this? So a scale used for measuring the concentration of H plus ion or OH minus ion is known as pH scale. Now, it was introduced by L. Sorensen and developed in the year of 1909. A scale which is used for measuring the concentration of H plus ion or OH minus ion, that means hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion, तो उसे बोलेंगे pH scale. P is small and H is capital. It was introduced by L. Sorensen and in the year of 1909. जैसे आपके पास स्केल है, उसी तरह उसने pH scale बोला. Now we have to learn about how that pH scale is. So that pH scale is starts from number 0 and ends up with the number 40. So here we are just having, you also have a diagram of pH scale into your own book. You can go in the textbook, you can see that pH scale is in that particular manner. So starts with 0, 7, 40. If you are moving from 0 to 7, so we can say that acidic character decrease. And if you are moving from 7 to 0, you can say that is from 0 to 7. If you are moving from 7 to 0, you can say that acidic character increase. That means we can say that lower the value of pH is more acidic. That means in pH scale, if the pH value is equal to in between 0 to 7, that is known as acidic solution. Okay? अगर pH मेरे पास 0 to 7 के बीच में है, then I can say that that solution is acidic solution. Now we have to learn about that. If I am having pH is equal to 2 and pH is equal to 5, both are acidically low. Which one is more acidic? So lower the value of pH. pH की वैल्यू अगर लो है तो वो ज़्यादा एसिडिक होगा rather than this one. ओके, सो अगर मेरे पास लेमन जूस है जिसकी पीएच है 4 and if I am having HCl जिसकी pH है 2, so we can say that HCl is more acidic. अभी हमने पढ़ा था that among HCl and among lemon juice which one is more acidic? HCl is more acidic. Okay, so that is pH scale about acid, that if the pH value, that is power of hydrogen ion, is equal to 0 to 7, in between 0 to 7, that solutions are categorized as acidic solution. And if, now we are talking about, this is all about acidic solution, that means if you are moving from 0 to 7, 0 to 7 है, so we can say that concentration of H plus ion decrease when you are moving from 0 to 7. Okay? But if you are moving from 7 to 0, you can say that concentration of H plus ion increase. That means अगर pH की वैल्यू लोअर है तो हाइड्रोजन आयन ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस होंगी, उसका कंसंट्रेशन सोल्यूशन में बढ़ेगा. That is all about acid what we have discussed. Again we are discussing once and then we are moving to basic solution. अगर pH स्केल की बात कर रही हूँ तो pH स्केल starts from 0 and up to 0 और उसकी वैल्यू हमें पढ़नी है. If we are talking about pH, the value of pH is lying in between 0 to 7, that all solutions are known as acidic solution. Now in which we have to learn about that. If we have the value from 7 to 0, then acidic character decreases and concentration of H plus ion is also decreased. Okay, that's what we have to learn. But if we are moving from 0 to 7 children, then we can say that acidic character increases and concentration of H plus ion is also increased. So if I am having pH value, अगर यहाँ पे मैं लिख रही हूँ if pH is equal to 2 है, pH is equal to 1 है, pH is equal to 7 है. So among these, this is neutral solution, this is strong acid, this is weak acid compared to this pH value. समझ रहे हो? So pH value lower होगी, that is more acid. So lower the value of pH, lower the value of pH, they are more acidic. Okay? So this is all about acid. Now we learn about the base. Okay children? So the value of base is lying in between 7 to 14. So these are known as basic solution. So if we have the value from 7 to 14, then the basic character increases strictly, and the here concentration of basic है, so we are writing hydroxide ion increases. Okay, 7 to 14 है तो basic character बढ़ेगा. But if we are moving from the value 40 to 7, then we can say that the basic character decreases. In same manner, here also the concentration of the hydroxide ion decreases. So higher the value of pH, we are more basic. That means यहाँ पे आप समझ लो कि pH मेरे पास 13 है, 9 है और 7 है, तो 7 वाला तो न्यूट्रल रहेगा, that is nor acidic nor basic. Okay, that is nor acidic, neither acidic nor basic. But among 9 and 13, that is more basic compared to this one. Okay, so higher the value of pH, they are more basic for basic solution when we are moving 7 to 40. So that is about what, that is about pH. Now if pH is equal to 7, then it is known as neutral solution. So we can say that distilled water is considered as a neutral solution. So that is what about. Now we have just talked about in the laboratory what we are using. We are using pH paper. So pH paper is one particular type of paper strip where you have the color for particular pH. pH starts from 2, pH 4, pH 6, pH 7, pH 9, pH 11, pH 14. So by this way you can find out the particular color is here: red, pink, light pink, green, blue, dark blue, and here that is violet color. So that is all about the pH paper. That's what we have learned. One of the boxes is there given. I'm just going to solve you out the particular box which is there. सलाइवा और उससे रिलेटेड एक बॉक्स है जिसकी पीएच मैं लिखवाऊंगी और उसके आंसर्स भी मैं लिखवाऊंगी. नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द पीएच इन एवरीडे लाइफ. आप कहाँ पे देखते हो? सो वेरी फर्स्ट अबाउट द सर्वाइवल ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स, aquatic animals and plants. So we know that human body है या तो कोई भी particular living organisms and we are surviving between 7 to 7.8 pH. But when we talk about acid rain, we know that the rain which is there mixed up with the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, they are producing acid by themselves, and that acid is known as rain acid or acid rain, and that value of pH is lower than 5.6, we can say that, and lower the value of that particular pH from this particular water for aquatic life. So it will be very difficult for those aquatic animals and plants to survive with this pH. So they may going to die within while when acid rays are going to mix up with the aquatic life. So that is about the survival of animals and plants. Now soil. When we talked about soil, fertility of soil is very important to grow any of the plants. So if soil is more acidic, then we are adding basic substance in it as a fertilizer, and if soil is more basic, then we are using acidic fertilizer to make it fertile, to make it neutral. So whenever we are having a neutral pH for the soil, it is very we can say that essential for growth of the plant or any particular material in the particular soil. But if soil is basic, then we are using acidic fertilizer, and if soil is more basic in nature, then we are using acidic fertilizer, children. So that is about the pH in everyday life. Now pH in everyday life, where we have to learn about stomach, digestion process, हम खाते हैं, then we are chewing, then that particular all procedure is there done, and then at the end it is there stored in the stomach. Stomach contain hydrochloric acid inside it. If hydrochloric acid, the amount of hydrochloric acid is then increased, what happens to it? If it is increased, then we are having a hyperacidity problem. Acidity हो जाती है, फिर हम इनो पीते हैं, ठंडा दूध पीते हैं. So that acid starts to disturb the lining of that particular stomach, intestine जो भी lining है उसे disturb करना start करेंगे. That's why you are just having a stretching in the stomach, pain होगा, okay, जलन होती है, burning sensation होते हैं. That is known as acidity. So that substance which are used to prevent acidity, these are known as antacids. इसे क्या बोलेंगे? Antacid. They prevent rancidity also. They prevent acidity, and mostly basic substance we are using. Gelosil gel use करते हैं हम लोग, okay? पर्टिकुलर पिंक कलर का जेलोसिल आता है जो हम पीते हैं, इनो पीते हैं. एंटासिड्स पूछा जाता है. एंटासिड्स आर दो सब्सटेंस विच आर प्रिवेंट अ स्टमक फ्रॉम एसिडिटी. तो इफ एसिड स्टमक इज कंटेनिंग हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड अगर बढ़ता है हाइपर एसिडिटी होती है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट कैरिंग मच एंड ईटिंग मोर स्पाइसी फूड, it will convert into ulcers, and ulcers slowly gradually gives you the death. So please, whenever we are eating, eat such kind of a proper food. Don't too much spicy, too much oily food to just prevent our stomach from these kind of things. Okay, so that is known as a particular pH for in our digestion system. And lastly, pH for the tooth decay. जितना खाते हैं हम, कभी कभी इतना खा लेते हैं, फिर वी आर नॉट मेकिंग इट आउट, सो वी आर नॉट गार्गलिंग नहीं करते हैं. तो व्हाट हैपन, वॉट एवर द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ फूड दे आर जस्ट स्टोर्ड इन आवर corners of our teeth, and they starts to react with the saliva, and saliva is somewhat acidic after a meal, so it starts to decay in our teeth. Our tooth containing calcium phosphate, which is the hardest particular material in our body. उसे कोई भी चीज़ की एसिड की भी इफेक्ट नहीं होती है. बट इफ़ वी आर नॉट गार्गलिंग प्रॉपरली, इफ जर्म्स एंड बैक्टीरिया आर देयर, दे स्टार्ट्स टू डिके. इसीलिए दांत सड़ते हैं, एंड वी हैव टू गो टू द डेंटिस्ट. Okay, so what we are doing whenever we are eating some of the food, then we have to gargling with the salty water, as well as we have to clean our teeth with the toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, so that what we have learned about pH in everyday life, and in the next class we are going to discuss what we have learned in pH in everyday life, survival of animals and plants. Then pH is useful in growth of plants. pH is also useful in digestion process. Then we have learned that pH is also useful in the decaying of teeth. Okay, that's what we have learned. So pH is very important part for this chapter. You have to learn it thoroughly. Whenever live classes are also there going, and you have to see the videos also, that what you have learned in the live classes. So that is all about today. Next class we are just start to new topic that is solved. Before that we are solving some of the questions related with these topics. Thank you and have a nice day, children.